Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you're returning to that channel, you know what I like to say, hit that share button. The share button is what helps out the content creators. What we're looking at here is pistols from Fime Group. Now these are the guys that did the Rex 01, and they've got a new offering which is the Rex Delta. We're going to look at those. Talk to Walker English with Fime Group, F-I-M-E Group. He is going to give a presentation on them, and then we'll finish off the video with a little closer look at the Rex Delta. Like, share, and subscribe, especially share. And until next time, stay armed, stay vigilant, stay safe.
Hi, Walker English with Fime Group. This is our newest offering, the Rex Delta. It's a 9mm. It ships with a 15 round and a 17 round magazine. It comes with 4 available back straps, starting with small, going to extra large. It has ambidextrous controls with the magazine release and our slide stop lever. And one unique thing here, it's got a great trigger reset. I'm gonna go here, and you can see quickly on the trigger reset. Beautiful trigger reset. Also, the takedown on this is very simple. Comes apart like that. Fimegroup.com is where you can find us. These are the Rex Deltas, just came in country.
Video's over. Bye.